planet of Venus is here. The white color, bright, shining, and beautiful, the color of peace, is here today. But why am I here? So recently, I saw this movie, right? A really amazing movie which has some very strong messages and learnings, and also, some things that you can resonate so well with your own life, right? So I decided, I said, why not do a video and share some of my learnings, some of my observations, and maybe make life more beautiful, and have some realizations and maybe live life to the fullest, right? So let me quickly dig in. I'm not going to name the movie because I want that to be a surprise, and I want all of you people to really guess the movie in the end. Yeah, let me start. So what I saw this range of emotions, from excitement to falling in love to self-discovery to falling out of love, anger, extreme frustrations, and then feeling of gratitude, miracle, believing in miracles, and so on. But is that all I saw? No, I saw much more. What I saw much more. I really realized, and I think a lot of you will resonate with this, that our childhood plays a very important role in our lives, right? What our parents tell us, or the expectations that they impose on us, actually we start living life, or we start seeing life like that. With all due respect to our beautiful parents, sometimes they also don't know, right? Or maybe they refuse to know for the life, the hardships that they've seen. They refuse to understand us and give us that freedom to live, or understand life as we want to, right? But is that the right thing to do? No, not really, right? Because all individuals are different. They say that maybe you're born, through a mother or through a father, but not necessarily the dreams, the passions, the nature that they have, you should also have that, right? So one realization, whatever we kind of engrave in our kids last with them for lifetimes. So please, as parents, it's a strong responsibility that you understand your child, and understand what he really wants, his interest, his passions, and then start guiding or start imposing the responsibilities, or tell them basically what life is, right? But is that what I saw? Is that all? No, there's much more. I also felt, the importance of miracles, and especially finding a companion who brings the best out of you. And when I say brings the best out of you, means who can see through you, right? Who can see through who you are, not what you pretend to be, right? So there's a dialogue, probably it will become more easier for you to guess, which is andar se kuch aur and bahar se majboor, right? Which actually means that we are all really wearing a mask of responsibilities, mask of what we actually became because of the life that we are born with. But maybe that's not who we are, right? And finding a companion who can see through you, who can dig further in your childhood, in understanding your dreams, your hidden passions, and bring that out of it, bring that out of you, is, I think, the most blessed feeling ever, right? So that is something, again, what I really felt is a beautiful thing. And thirdly, live your life, create your own story. We go to, I remember doing this video on astrology, right? Of course, it's a beautiful concept, but live your life. Let's not go to people all the time and say, hey, what, tell me your story, tell me my story, right? You create your own story. You are the master, of your own ship. So just create your own story, literally. And another point is, we all have that superhero. So maybe, for example, I'm the most creative person on this earth. Maybe, let's say my somebody I know who's a doctor, right, or an engineer, and he's a wonderful engineer. That doesn't mean that I have to follow what he's doing, right? I'm going to follow my path and be my own superhero, because what I have, the other person doesn't have. So, yeah, I felt like I would love to really share my learnings with all of you. And guys, just live beyond what's been told, figure out what works for you, and live a life of fulfillment. Yeah. All right, with this I'll end my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, please subscribe and look for more content your way, and do guess the movie. Yeah, thank you.